Welcome to Memory Medallion. In this video, we are going to cover the simple process of sharing control of your medallions so that you can allow specified family and friends to add and to edit the information on your medallion stories. To get started, visit our website at www.memorymedallion.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll see your memory medallions listed. You can also see the link to share control of each medallion. Before we do that, let us clarify exactly what it means to share a medallion. It means that you wish to give permission to someone else to edit one of your medallion stories. Rather than sharing your username and password with them, which would give them access to all of your medallions, you are giving their account the ability to access just one. They will be able to add and remove information, pictures, and video to the medallion that you share with them, but they are not given access to any other of your medallions unless you share those with them as well. To share control, find the medallion you wish to share and click the button under the Share column. By default, there are no shares. If there are shares, the button will change to read how many accounts it is currently shared with, as shown here. There is no limit to the number of people you can share control with. Here you will see the email addresses of everyone that has been shared with already. Click Share Medallion and enter the email address of the person you are permitting to edit your story. If this person does not have a Memory Medallion account registered to the provided email address, they will be invited to create one before they are able to edit your story. It's important to recognize that sharing a medallion means you are providing story editing access to someone, so you shouldn't share access with people unless you want them to have this ability. People who have been given shared control of a story are able to share that story with others as well. They can publish the completed story with the same publishing functions that you have access to. We hope that this video has clarified any questions you had about sharing control of your medallion stories. More information can be found in the support and FAQ sections of our website. You are also welcome to contact us with any questions. We will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Memory Medallion.